Hi viewers. Today we're making tuna taco. One without avo, and one with avo. Chopped celery. Drained canned tuna. Chopped red onion. Chopped cucumber skin. We will go through the different herbs and seasoning. Diced avo is for second option taco. Sprinkle fresh chopped parsley. Fresh chopped chives. Fresh chopped dill. Thinly chopped lemon zest. Black pepper. And salt. Chili oil adds heat, taste, and aroma. The recipe for chili oil is available in this channel. What you see in the center is a drizzle of honey. I also added half a spoon of Dijon mustard right at the corner. Now, this mayo is the right consistency, the right color, and it is flavorful and healthy. You will see it at the end of the video. Use a thin utensil to gently mix your ingredients. I use 2 chopsticks. When the salad is ready, scoop it in the tacos. This is the option without avo. Now, this is the second option taco. I added the avo after mixing all the ingredients to avoid breaking the avo. And my secret ingredient is this garlic-flavored mayo squeeze. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment.